Yo, 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 it's me again, Ketchow. So, our lesson for today is free to play trick on secret task on how to save your refresh ticket or diamond. So, as you can see, let's check it here. If I click mega refresh, I have 17 refresh ticket and I need 1,000 100 diamonds to make this all your your task. So let's see if I can manage to save some. So as you can see here, I have 78,699 diamonds. Okay, no. Let's use this first. Okay, I have 79,234. Then the actual trick here is uses mega refresh to immediately upgrade these to UR immediately upgrade all of these to UR task. Okay, but what we are but sometimes it's actually cost a lot. Like this, it's this is cost this is considered 100 diamonds each for each ticket. So that's 1,700. Then this is 1 1, so 2,800. Let's see if I can save a bit of diamonds using this trick. Okay. So again, my diamonds 79,234. So first is if you started with the UR task, you may dispatch it individually. Okay. Then after you dispatch them, you'll just do a manual refresh. Okay, so let's see if I'll get a UR. No, I didn't get one. No, that's two. Okay, that's three. Okay, and then how many left? One, two, three, four, five, six. I still have six. And let's refresh them all again. Okay, I got two. I got lucky on that. And then we deploy it. The purpose of individual deployment is if you refresh it, those UR tasks will get refreshed also. But if you refresh using mega refresh, if you already have UR task, it won't get refreshed anymore. Okay, so how many left? Four. Let's try one more. Okay, no. Okay. Okay, that's bad. Okay, that's bad also. Okay, I got two. Okay, so that's 17 refresh ticket before. So I already used 10. Okay, I'll deploy this, and I'll deploy this. Then for the remaining, if you still have like two or three or four, you can do the mega refresh. See, before if I use mega refresh, uh, I'll be able to use 17 refresh ticket and then 1,100 diamonds. But now, since I did it manually, I'll only use 100 diamonds and 17 refresh tickets. So I managed to save 1k diamonds. Okay, so that's the actual trick. And then mega deploy, I will only be able to deploy. Okay, so that's it. Uh, this trick, using this trick, I managed to save 1,000 diamonds. So I still have 79,134, which is before 79,000. 234. So I only used 17 refresh ticket and 100 diamonds to make it all your task, and instead of using mega refresh, which I was supposed to use 17 refresh ticket and then 1100 diamonds. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope this video helps you in any way if you are on a budget on your diamonds, or if you are running low. So that's it for now, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.